guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do this hairstyle of Kim Kardashian. She wore this hairstyle at the Met Gala 2018 and I really like this hairstyle, so I thought why not make a YouTube video about it. So here it is. Okay guys, I will tell you during this video how you will create this beautiful look, so stay tuned. First you need a sock, this will protect your hands. You also need an elastic, this we need for sectioning our hair. We also need a straightener, and this can be any straightener you have at home. So the upper part we straight and the lower part we make a curl in it. That's also what Kim Kardashian has. Now we're gonna take the second lock and we're gonna repeat the same process. So we're gonna straighten the upper part and curl the lower part of our hair. And by the way, you don't have to super straighten your hair. And you get the curl by just rotating your straightener downwards. Yeah, just like that. See, and it's like magic. You see a curl underneath. It's yeah, super easy, so try it out. And before using this straightener, I also put heat protection in my hair. This will protect my hair, so don't forget to use that. And I will repeat this process over and over again with every lock except the upper part, because that's the part we won't curl underneath. We will straighten it but not curl it. I mean by upper part of my hair, the hair near my pony, that will be only straightened. When I finish my hair locks, I won't put any hairspray in it, because then my hair will fall more naturally, a little bit wave underneath. So this is how it should look like. I also changed my outfit because Kim Kardashian, she has a golden dress on, and I also wanted to wear something gold. Now that my outfit is ready, we're gonna complete our hair. We're gonna use our thumbs to separate our hair. And to reduce bumps, I use a hairbrush. And to reduce baby hairs and frizz, I also use a hairspray on a toothbrush. And I comb that hair upwards. Then after the brush with the hairspray, we're gonna use an elastic to secure our hair. And after we secured our hair with an elastic, we're gonna use hairspray with the toothbrush again. This will yeah, make it more clean. And that's exactly what we want. When you're happy with this step, then we will continue to the next step, and for that we need hair extensions. Okay, put a comb in your hair, and after that you're gonna turn the extra hair with the band around your ponytail. And you should secure this extension as if your life depends on it, because hey girl, once you lose your extension, your life will be over, so you better make sure you won't lose it, okay? Pinky promise. Okay. So after you wrapped your extensions around your hair, then we're gonna use bobby pins to secure our hair even more. After the bobby pins, put your hair in the right place with your fingers. And this is the end result. Before doing this hairstyle, I really thought this hairstyle wouldn't fit my face, but I think it looks good, so I'm happy. I hope you like this video because I really enjoyed doing this hairstyle. It's for me it was very easy and quick, so maybe you can try it also and let me your thoughts know. Okay guys, this is the end of my video. I really hope you like this hairstyle, and if you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my videos. And if you have any suggestions or any comments, please put them in the comments below. And the products I used for this hairstyle, I would also put that in the description below. Okay guys, and now I will gonna take a lot of selfies for Instagram because I really like taking pictures of my hairstyle. So visit my Instagram so you can see the end result. Bye bye, see you the next time.